Hi, I'm Marcia Matcham, and I'm here speaking on behalf of Expert Village. Any painting has ever exactly turned out the way I wanted it originally, the way I'd planned it, but usually I make them work. I can't remember when I have actually torn up or thrown away a partially finished or finished painting. I always find a way to make them work. To me, that's part of the challenge. Okay, I have this imperfect thing here. Not that any of them ever become perfect, but I have this very imperfect thing, and how can I make it so it's acceptable to me? This paper is quite fragile, so you need to be fairly certain you want that color down. Certain colors actually stain the paper permanently, so you will never get back to white, but you can scrub at it gently and get a lot of the color off. Watercolor definitely is more of a challenge because of that. You can't just change your mind and say, oh, I think I'll put yellow up in this place where I already have bright green or something like that. The reds and the greens and a lot of the blues really do basically stain the paper enough that you will never go back to white at all. I mean, there's just none of those colors really will you ever be able to go back to white, but you can get the most intense part of it off and work with it after that.